My channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a product feed for your Klaviyo emails. All right, so but before we jump into it, I want to kind of explain what a product feed is. So inside of your emails you have an option where you can drag and drop certain products, and you can also add them to different flows where you are upselling. So what a product feed is, it is where you can create a classic collection product feed, or you can create a personalized product feed. And what a personalized product feed is, it is based upon your customers' behavior that they have done inside of Klaviyo. So the things they have looked at, things that they have purchased, and things that kind of go hand in hand with the products that they've already purchased. And also what Klaviyo is able to do is they're able to take the data from your Shopify store and match it up with other customers who have similar buying behaviors to suggest different products to them that they may like. All right, now that may be a bit much, but I'm going to show you firsthand how you can do that. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and log into Klaviyo, and then on the left hand column you want to go under content, and then you want to go under products. All right, then we want to go to manage product feeds. All right, so then we're going to go to create product feed. All right, so it says, what would you like to name this product feed? So we're going to name this bestsellers. No, we're just giving it any type of name. All right, and then it says, what product should your customer view first? Okay, now when I was talking about classic, it has best selling, most views, both best selling and most viewed, newest products, random products. Then you have the personalized, and so you have products that a customer has recently viewed that they may also like, or products that they recently added to cart. Okay, so we are going to do a personalized demonstration because this is actually my favorite type of way to use data feeds, is through personalization. All right, so we're going to do products that they may also like based on, you can do under customers purchase history, their view history, or you can do both. I generally do both. Okay, now it says if a customer has a limited history, so let's say they are brand new to your website, they haven't been searching much, and they're getting your email, you can then go to pick a selection with the best selling, most viewed, both best selling and most viewed, newest products, or random products. I will use both best selling and most viewed over the last 3 days or 90 days. I like to do it by quarter, so I use 90 days, but you do what's best for your goals with your brand. All right, and it says, what additional filters would you like to apply? Show products where categories include. So you can put in different collections inside of this data feed. So we're going to do includes. Okay, so these are all the collections that this brand has. So what we're going to do, let's do jumpsuits, let's do staples, and let's do fall collection. Give us a different variety. So we're going to save product feed, and then you can go in and you can add as many product feeds as you want. You can get really creative. So I'm going to show you what that would look like inside of an email. So inside of our campaign, we will go on the left hand corner and we will drag and drop products. Now you have a static and you also have a dynamic. So a static is where you will go in and you will pick the different products that you want to go in that email. So anybody that gets this email will all see the same thing, product suggestions as everyone else. But dynamic, we will go down here, and as you see, we just created the best sellers. Make sure that's the one. We just created the best sellers, so we will go here and use that product feed. And then you can, I usually leave the title off, the price, And you can change the button text. So you could change it to anything, any type of call to action. You know, any type of call to action that you want to change it to. You could change your button color if you want it to be more on brand, which I highly suggest. So we're going to change that to that color just for the sake of this video. And then you can also change the font. So if you have writing up here, let's say my go-to font, this is my go-to font. So if I have this as my font, I want this to be the font as well. So you would just click on this block and you will go down here to font and you would change it as well. Okay. Now you can also, another thing I like to do, this is small. I like to make it bigger. So where it say max image height, I would change that to 375, or you can change it to 225. Just depends on what you like. So these are stacked on each other. If you don't want them to be stacked on each other on mobile, see in the desktop, they're like that. And mobile, they're stacked on each other. You will go to columns where it says stacked on mobile, and you would toggle it off. So let's go to preview and test. All right, so this is what it would look like for me, Ranisha Oklu. This is what my suggestions would look like. Let's go and search for a person inside of her list. So let's see what theirs would look like. And you know what? I'm going to put the title back on. I'm going to put the title back on here so we can see what the difference is in the products. Okay. So this is my suggestion, Royal Regal and oversized pullover zipper. Let's check out someone else, what their personalized suggestions would be. Okay, and they have the same as me. Let me see, let's do someone with a B name. Beatrice. Okay, so Beatrice, these are her personalized suggestions. It Girl Racer, the 1 2.0. Let's do one more other. Let's pick someone random. So as you can see, the suggested products are changing because we have a personalized data feed. So let's say this is an example of a campaign. Let's say we was doing a flow. So even with this, we could change it where you can add a text at top, say we thought these would fit your style. Okay, something simple. You know, whatever copy you want to use, you can. And we're going to change that font, of course, to our font. Make it a little bit bigger. Preview and test. So let's try somebody with a D name. Delvina. Okay, so you see these are the suggestions. So it changes for each customer. So that is the glory of product feeds. So that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please make sure you drop them in the comments. And also be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. All right, see you in the next video.